Question 10. Work out 2.5 divided by 3 1/4. Give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form, 4 marks. So the thing about this question is there's no problem solving to it. It is just, do you have the mathematical toolkit? Have you got the basic skills? And there's 4 marks for it. If you've got them, there's no problem solving. You should be able to just breeze through this every single time. If you don't have them, it will be very apparent. 2.5 divided by 3 1/4. So what I would do with this is I would turn them into improper fractions. So 2.5 divided by 3 1/4. I'm just going to rewrite that out. 2.5 divided by 3 1/4. So if I write this as an improper fraction, 2.5 is the same as, well, how many halves? Well, in 2 wholes there are 4 halves, and I've got another half there. So that's the same as 5 halves. And I'm going to be dividing that by how many quarters? Well, in 3 wholes there are 12 quarters, plus 1 more, 13 quarters. And you get a mark for that bit. Being able to work to turn mixed numbers into improper fractions and back if you need to. Okay, so you need that skill. If you don't have it, go on to Hegarty Maths, work on improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions, converting between them. It'll be in the number bit under fractions. So once I've got this bit, I just need to remember that if when I'm dividing fractions, I can use the multiplicative inverse, which is where I turn this one upside down and turn it into a multiplication. So that is the same as 5 over 2 times by 4 over 13. And now I just multiply that out. So that is the same as 5 times 4 is 20. 2 times 13 is 26. 20 out of 26, but I can't finish that there because it says in its simplest form, and I can simplify this. What goes into both of these? Well, they're both even, so I can see that 2 goes in, so I'm going to start by dividing them both by 2 and see where it gets me. That gets me to 10 out of 13, so if I divided them both by 2. And can I simplify that any further? No, I can't. So there's my answer, 10 out of 13. A very nice 4 marks with no problem solving, as long as you've got your basic skills.